An Awesome Studios film presents, in association with Epic Crashes, Nerf War for Xbox! Okay.
3, 2, 1, action!
Oh, shoot.
Holy shoot. Donuts! This is the worst
Epic-
part for doing donuts.
Okay. Passcode. This one's look better too. Hey, a message. What? Oh, sick. Get to use the Xbox One. Finally. Yeah, your partner's been using it for so long. Finally get a turn. Okay. See you later, man. Bye. Hey, dude, I was on the phone with your brother, said I could use the Xbox.
I'm good.
Nuts. get you a candy bar.
When?
Right now.
Whatever.
Just don't kill me. Just don't.
Maybe later. Just suffer there for now.
No! God. Well, the kicking wasn't as bad when he sledgehammered me in the groin. But I think I'm fine. Okay, candy. Where could the candy be? No. 20 grand? No way. Just mirrors and Q-tips and junk. Shoes. Could it be inside the globe? No, I'm just not gonna risk it. Nope. Not on the toys. Yes! Snickers, he loves Snickers. Let me go get him a Snickers. Gotta give him a Snickers. Stupid little- I hate him. So mean. Here's your Snickers. Deserved that kick. Ow. Come on, dude. Of all the places, why did you have to kick me in the groin? Idiot.
Whatever.
I'll take that Twix back. I mean, Snickers.
Hey, no, you can't. No, you can't.
Yes, I will. Dude, no, shoot. No, don't. Hey, dude, we can solve this peacefully, okay, man? Please. Fine by me. Okay, how about you eat your Snickers and I get to play Star Wars Battlefront? Deal?
Normally that would be a deal with a person like me, but we've been through heck. Just play all you want. The war's over.
Okay, man. Thanks.
Now you owe me a Twix, though.